So I want 35 grams of cheese. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. And so now I'm gonna let my broccoli steam for 10 or 15 minutes. 1 cup of 2% milk. Now I'm gonna put my cheese powder, and I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons in there. To bring forward my broccoli and insert it inside the VItamix. There it is. I'm going to pair my VItamix with my app that I have. But this is onion, so I forgot to put it in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there. Now I'm gonna secure it, and I'm gonna go ahead. Got that activated, and I'm gonna just press start right here. Just gonna go ahead, and it's gonna run the program, and it's gonna change all the controls. So I'm just gonna wait for it to do its work. Running program. Here we go. It did it. All done. Open this. Ooh-wee. Steamy. So it took like 6 minutes for the food to blend completely, and it came out very smooth and very delicious, and you're just gonna enjoy the taste.